Hi, I'm Duncan Gunn. I'm here to introduce you to Build, Build, Build. Build, Build, Build is an online educational module system which will help you find the potential in your development project. It's a series of over 10 modules written by experts in their field, starting from creating your power team, finding the potential in your project, going through the planning stages, building regulations, party walls, choosing a builder, going onto site and completing your project. Build, Build, Build also talks about what to do next. That might be the end of your project, or you might want to take on further projects. You may be a homeowner who wants to convert your loft. You may want to extend your kitchen. You might want to put a granny annex or a studio into your garden, or perhaps you want to search for some land to develop yourself. Well, Build, Build, Build caters for all of you and shows you from start to completion how to get the most out of your project.